Hi and welcome. I have Chandan Shastri with me. Congratulations, Chandan. You cleared your IBPS SO marketing exam. So, how are you feeling about this?
Yeah, it's great to be cleared this prestigious exam, and thank you.
And you're joining the Union Bank soon, right?
Yeah. I'm awaited due to this pandemic.
Definitely. So, your joining is awaited, and you will soon be joining Union Bank, and you successfully made it. But as you shared with me that this is the second time that you were giving this exam, you had also cleared this
Yes,
exam earlier. Yes,
before, yeah. Last year also.
great.
Last year
But
I
last year
cleared the
you
exam.
didn't make it to the merit list. Great. So I think it's great that you did not give up and you kept trying. Uh, Tell us more about yourself. Where are you from, and what have you studied in your graduation and post graduation?
I'm from Assam, a small town called Nagaon, and then I had done my graduation in engineering from Dibrugarh University, then MBA in marketing from NIT Silchar. After that, I joined Axis Bank as an assistant manager and worked for 2 years, and then started preparing for PSU exams and all.
Why did you decide to give these PSU exams? What was your call from inside?
So being in a PSU, it's like a dream for everyone, right? So being in a corporate sector, working for 2 years, and being in the banking industry, so I focused more on PSB, and that is uh, our government sector bank, and want to join as a marketing officer since my background suits this profile. That's why I decided to go for this IBPS SO marketing exams.
So, Chandan, it would be really nice if you can share your preparation strategy, that how you started preparing and what was going on in your mind.
So first of all, last year I get through the mains exam and appeared for interview, but my mains mark was not just enough to get me to the merit list. I just got just uh, cleared the cutoff, not that above. So next year I decided to move focus on my mains exam, that is the marketing part. So I researched in the websites and all everything. Then I found that Human Caritas about giving so tremendous materials for net, and basically is a specialist in management background. And I go through all the profiles or our IIMs and FMS guys. So definitely I can trust them, right? So I bought the materials and prepared for my exams. Since I'm working right now, I got very few times for that. Only 2 hours I can dedicate it for my studies. Since I stayed along, I can do all the things. Uh, so yes, all the materials and the mock tests definitely helped me. And I can say that this year I get more than 15 marks in above than my cutoff and cleared the exam.
That's amazing. And as you just shared with us that you were also working at that time while you were preparing
Yes.
for the exam.
Yes.
So, was time management a challenge that you had to face?
Yeah, sometimes yes, because there are two-phase exam, right? Prelims and mains. Prelims part, that is reasoning, quants, and English. That I can manage, no issue. But the main part is mains exam, which I lagged behind in last year also. So I give more focus on the mains exam, marketing part. I can give only 1.5 to 2 hours daily, but I'm dedicated daily, and definitely it will help me. And in the last 1 to 2 weeks, I can go through all the mock tests. Definitely help me.
So you say that you dedicated 2 hours almost daily, consistently, and you did your mock tests, and that helped you go through. And if you had to advise students who are going to sit for such an exam to avoid two mistakes that they might be doing, what would those two mistakes be?
First thing, from starting, they should have focused more on the mains exam parallelly with that prelims exam, because prelim was not that tough. Its cutoff goes low for MBA's marketing, but the main focus should the candidate does in the mains part, that is marketing part, because in this exam there is no specific syllabus, right? So you have to be prepared all the time because its pattern is changing year by year, and you should have a good material and a mock test that will definitely help you. Yeah, mock test. Candidates should more focus on the mock test.
Right. So your tips for them is not to take mains lightly and
Yeah.
expand your knowledge because there's no set syllabus, and focus on the mock tests. Great. I think those tips will help anyone who's preparing for this exam. And you've qualified it, and you're awaiting your joining date soon. And we wish you all the best for your career ahead. And thanks for doing this with us. And I'm sure this video will inspire a lot of students who are aiming to be where you are right now. So thank you so much, Chandan.
Yeah, the pleasure is all mine. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much.